Namaste children, welcome back to English class. Today in this class you are going to see question model. Okay, how in your 11th standard questions will come. This is a 2019 public examination question children. I am going to explain these questions only because you are going to write your first unit test next week, so that okay, including that I have sent one words explanation also. Okay, what are the one words I informed to read? You want to read that one words and you should copy that in your classwork. Okay, here first instruction, checks the question proper and fairness of printing is all thing. Use blue or black ink. Okay, first three questions are meanings, then antonyms, opposites, meanings and opposites. So first 6 questions, meanings and opposites. Next, seventh question is abbreviation. Select the correct expansion of abbreviation. You know that very well. What HDTV? What is this HDTV? High definition television. Okay, then eighth question. Choose the suitable option, pair it with the word mantle to form a compound word, mantle piece. Okay, so this is a compound word. We want to choose correct word to create a correct compound word. This one already have read in a 10th standard. Then form a derivative by adding the right suffix. Okay, prefix, suffix. 10th one, foreign word. Choose the correct foreign word. Bona fide. What is meant by bona fide? Bona fide means genuine. We are getting bona fide certificate. No? If you want to go any government office, they'll ask bona fide certificate. If you are a student, they'll ask bona fide certificate. நீ இங்கே தான் படிக்கிறேன்னு இருக்காங்க. That is genuine. Okay. Then 11th one, choose a right definition of the photophobia. Choose a correct definition. Photophobia என்ன, அதோட மீனிங் நம்ம கரெக்டாக எடுத்து எழுதணும். ஃபியர் ஆஃப் லைட், அதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து ஃபியர் ஆஃப் லைட். ஓகே, தென் கொஸ்டின் டேக் 12th one. 13th one, phrasal verbs. 14th one, polite word. Okay, I informed already. Sorry, prefix. Okay, add a correct prefix to the root word polite. Polite is a word, we want to add prefix to that. So polite, that is impolite. Answer is impolite. Then one who studies the human mind and behavior is called what? Okay, they are giving answer. We want to choose correct definition. Okay, இதோட கரெக்டான இந்த வேர்டோட கரெக்டான மீனிங் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. நம்ம வேர்டு கரெக்டாக எழுதணும். அப்போ இதோட மீனிங் என்னது? சைக்காலஜிஸ்ட். ஆன்சர். Then fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. You know that very well. Then 17th one, clipped word. கிளிப்டுனா என்ன சொன்னிருக்கேன், ஒரு லாங் வேர்டை ஷார்ட்டாக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது, சொல்கிறது, அதுதான் கிளிப்டு வேர்டு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, டாமிட்டரி மீன்ஸ் DORM, டாம், DORM. திஸ் இஸ் ஆன்சர். தென் 18th ஒன் இஸ் அ பொலைட் ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ். ஹார்ஷாக யூஸ் பண்ணாமல் சாஃப்டாக ஒருத்தவங்கள சொல்கிறது. ஓகே, பார்பர் மீன்ஸ் ஹேர் ட்ரெஸ்ஸர். Then 19th one, suitable the phrasal verb. This phrasal verb. 28th is a relative pronoun. The books that are bought are often not read. So that want to come. So these 20 marks is a one word. Okay, this 20 marks is a one word. First 20 marks, in that meanings opposites will come, then remaining part will come. Okay, then after that, after one words, first part 1 over part 2. First poem question answers. Read the following set of poetic lines and answer any 4 of the following. Okay, so poem question answers, they will give what? Poetic line, then under that they will ask question. Poem question answer, then after poem question answer, do as directed. Grammar part will come. What are the grammar? Direct and indirect. Using, combine the sentence using if. Okay, then making an inversion form. Then simple compound, complex will come. So in that you want to choose any 3. Okay. First part you want to choose any 4. Totally 7 question I want to attend. From poem question also you want to select 4. Then grammar part you want to select 3. Totally 7. Then ERC. Explain any one of the following with reference to the context. Okay, any 2 ERC you want to select. Then after that, question answer, lesson question answers, this one. Any 2 you want to select. Okay. After that, lesson question answer. Then after lesson question answer, 3 marks question. This is part 3 children. Here, this is part 3. They didn't give part 3. In part 3, 3 marks question. Maybe chart question answer will come. Or else write a dialogue. Then describing a process. Anything they are asked. Describe the process of opening a bank account. You want to write like point. What are the procedure? Or else describe the process of making tea. Describe a process of making lemon juice. Likewise, they will ask question. For that, you want to what? Write like points. Okay, then complete the proverb using or match the proverb they will ask, or else choose the correct proverb. Okay, என்ன பதிவேனா கேட்கலாம் இதுக்கு 40th. So, this is 3 marks question. After 3 mark, part 4. In that part 4 fully 5 marks children. Part 4 is a 5 marks question. First, lesson paragraph, any one, either or, any one paragraph you want to write. Then, poem. Then after that, supplement reader. This is supplement reader paragraph. They are like giving like a develop the hints, but you want to write paragraph what you have read. Then after that, write a summary or make notes. Precise writing. In 10th standard you have read? No. So, write a summary or make notes. Any one only you want to write. First, you, okay, either summary or make notes. Then, 45. Read the following advertisement and prepare an biodata. This one, or else write a paragraph of 150 words on the advantages and disadvantages of online shopping. General paragraph, or else was letter writing. Here letter writing also will come sometimes, or else what? Prepare a biodata will come. How you want to prepare a biodata? Want to? I'll teach after that. Okay, then 46. First 5. Spot the error. Spot the error. See here A, B, C. Spot the error R. Okay, any one only we want to write. Okay. Idhula read the following sentences, spot the errors and rewrite them correctly. Okay. Or fill in the blanks. Grammar. Okay. Here in that 5 mark grammar, what are the things will come? No, homophones, modal or semi-modal auxiliaries, or else suitable link word. Yes or no? Link word. Okay. Or else sometimes grammar. Grammar la tense form. If class la fill-ups மாதிரி கொடுத்து கரெக்டான டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது வரும். இல்லாட்டி டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் 1, then modal auxiliary quasi modal, then homophones, or else link word, sometimes relative pronoun will come in this 5 marks. Okay. So, either error spotting or this fill-ups you want to write. Then 47. Okay. Identify the following sentence with a suitable feed. That is, in a democracy, we have the right to criticize anyone. Okay, in a democracy, we have right to criticize anyone. So, இது கேத்தாப்ப இது எந்த ஃபீல்டில்? ஓகே, இதோட ஃபீல்டு என்ன? காமர்ஸா, ஸ்போர்ட்ஸா, லிட்ரேச்சர், கம்ப்யூட்டர், பாலிட்டிக்ஸ் அண்ட் மீடியா ஆர் அக்ரிகல்ச்சர். இதில் எது ஆன்சர் நமக்கு கரெக்டாக தெரியும், எது கரெக்டான ஆன்சர், அதான் நம்ம இங்கே எடுத்து எழுதணும். ஓகே, இப்போ டெமோக்ரஸி, இப்போ இது வந்து பாலிட்டிக்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போ கரெக்டாக ஏன்னு போட்டு பாலிட்டிக்ஸும் கரெக்டாக எழுதணும். அவ்வளோதான். இதை கீழே கொடுத்துருக்க இந்த சென்டென்ஸுக்கு ஏற்றாப்புனா ஃபீல்டு இங்கே கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஐடென்டிஃபை த ஃபீல்டு, அதை கரெக்டாக எழுத போகிறோம். இந்த ப்ரைஸ் ஆஃப் வெஜிடபிள் ஷார்ட் அப் சடன்லி, இது வந்து காமர்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் ஒன் ஆர் passage comprehension. They will give one passage, under that they will ask question. You want to read this passage carefully, then you should write the correct answer. Okay, either that or this, that is in the identify the field or passage comprehension. So 5 mark fully either or choice only. Which one you know very well, you want to select that. Okay, this is only your 11th standard question pattern, children. Okay, this is your 11th standard question pattern. Read this. I'll send to you. Read this. Okay, it will be easy to you only. Thank you, children.